Moto Edge 70. In this video, we're going to discuss about this mobile, which is going to release soon in India. The Flipkart is also teasing about this mobile in their website. So this mobile is going to come with a 6.7 inches of flat 120 Hz refresh rate and HDR10 plus supported display, and it is going to be comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. When we talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, and it is a 4nm based 5G octa-core processor. It was a mid-level processor which we can use to game a lot, And this mobile is going to come in two variants mostly, 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants like that. Now these are going to be UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types. Yes. And when we talk about the cameras of this mobile, the Moto Edge 70 mobile is going to come with a dual cameras at the back side. Both of them are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, using which we can shoot up to 4K 60 fps. For the front also, it is coming with the 50 megapixels of selfie camera, which we can use to shoot up to 4K 60 fps. Similarly, when we talk about the battery, I felt that they could have given a bigger battery, but it's okay. It is coming with a 4600 milliamp hours of battery, and it supports 68 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports 15 watts of wireless charge. Yes, 15 watts of wireless charge in a budget friendly mobile. I will tell you what is the budget of this mobile going to be. And that's not it. This mobile is also going to come with the IP68 and IP69 resistance too. This mobile is also coming with all the sensors without skipping anything, like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, everything. When we talk about the connectivity, this one is coming with 15 plus 5G bands. And when we talk about this mobile's connectivity in terms of NFC and all, it is coming with the NFC, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6E tri-band support all. It also coming with ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and optical fingerprint scanner, and this mobile is also going to come with a metal frame and front and back glasses. These are the major features of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in two colors. Till the news, know that this mobile is going to be available in two colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below with the other links of my channel, so you can go and check the colors as well as buy the mobile which are in the description box, and also hit the other videos of my channel and you can watch them. So these are the features of this mobile, and this mobile is going to be the world's thinnest mobile, which with a 6.99 millimeters of thickness. It is like a pencil. We all know the pencil, right? Very small form factor mobile. So that's why I think they have reduced the battery capacity. So these are the features of this mobile. When we talk about the launch and prices, this mobile is going to release by the third week of this December, and the price could be around 32,000 to 35,000 rupees budget range. So if you're planning for a mobile which you can use with a stock Android version, by the way, this mobile runs on Android version 16 out of the box with a stock UI. So you could go with this mobile. Now Moto mobiles are very good in terms of users who love stock Android version. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe, that's important.